Students of Honors Part 2, hopefully you are keeping well. I am Siddhartha Shankar, an assistant professor in English in Government Horganga College, Munshiganj. Dear students, we are reciting out from Percy Bysshe Shelley's the famous poem To a Skylark. And here we have seen that the poet was comparing this heavenly bird with different ecstatic elements, uh, but the poet actually finds no actual element with which the bird can be compared with. So dear students, today we are going to start from stanza 10. You are requested to find out the page and just follow what I am reciting. Like a glowworm golden in a dale of dew, scattering unbeholden its aerial hue among the flowers and grass which screen it from the view. See, like a glowworm golden in a dale of dew. Here, uh, the poet is comparing the bird with a worm which is uh, giving or scattering golden light. But the fact is that it is unbeholden, that means it cannot be seen, rather it can be felt only. And its aerial hue, when it has bright color, this worm is reflecting a golden light in a dale of dew, that means in a valley, but we cannot see it, rather we can feel it. Why cannot see it? Because among the flowers and grass which screen it from the view, because the worm is reflecting its light from grass and flowers, and it screen it, that means the grass and flowers hide the bright light given by the worm. So here we can feel that in a valley, worms or the fireflies like that giving bright light, and its light is unseen because it is hidden by or screened by beautiful flowers and green grass. So this is a nice comparison, uh, and the poet tries to compare the bird with this glowworm golden insect. Glowworm golden, that is a kind of insect. uh, Now let's move to stanza 11. Like a rose embowered in its own green leaves, by the warm winds deflowered, till the scent it gives makes faint with too much sweet those heavy-winged thieves. Here we find another comparison of the bird. Here you see, like a rose embowered in its own green leaves. Rose. Now, the poet is comparing the bird with a rose. Rose is the queen of flowers, and it is considered to be the most beautiful flower which has sweet fragrance, and we all love it. So here the poet is comparing the bird with a rose, but it is embowered in its own green leaves. That means the rose is also not seen, rather it can be felt. That means everything remains hidden. It is in our imagination, in the imagination of the poet, uh, because imagination is always fanciful and always beautiful. So here the poet is comparing the bird, yes, with a rose which is hidden under its green leaves. Now, by the warm winds deflowered. When the warm winds or pleasant wind blows, the petals of the flower scatters away. That is deflowered. That means the petals of the flower is scattered till the scent it gives. And when the petals are scattered by the wind everywhere on the earth, it spreads its sweet fragrance, sweet scent, till the scent it gives makes faint with too much sweet those heavy winged thieves. That means when that sweet fragrance or beauty, sweet scent of the flower spreads on the earth, it overwhelms the bees. Bee, that is heavy winged thieves, because bees are fond of sweet flowers and its fragrance. That means bees moves from flower to flower to collect honey, and here the bees also enjoy a lot of pleasure when they uh, move from one flower to another flower. So here we find another nice comparison, that is that the bird has been compared with the fragrance of sweet rose, and this fragrance overwhelms the tiny creature like bees or other creature on the earth. Now let's move to the stanza 12. Sound of vernal showers on the twinkling grass, rain awakened flowers, all that ever was joyous and clear and fresh, thy music doth surpass. See, sound of vernal showers on the twinkling grass. Vernal showers is the rain on the twinkling grass. That means when rain drop falls on the grass, it sparkles. Uh, and this is the sparkling drop of the rain. So here the poet has compared the bird with that beauty, that is, it is sparkling or twinkling like the raindrop on grass. Rain awakened flowers, all that ever was joyous and clear and fresh, thy music doth surpass. Uh, so here we find that uh, the rain actually refreshes flowers, and this rain makes the everything, the flowers and other thing joyous, and it makes it refresh. The rainwater makes refresh, it refreshes everything. So it is here we find a very joyous environment that is made by the mm, raindrops. So here in this stanza also, the poet has compared the bird with such raindrops, and who is awakens or who is refreshes the surroundings. So here the poet has tried to compare the bird with some things or with some beautiful elements, uh, but the poet has admitted that the bird itself is incomparable to anything. Yet he is trying to make the readers clear about the aesthetic beauty of the bird. So dear students, today we can uh, complete our class here, uh, and hopefully you have understood today's class. Hopefully you will participate in the next class. So thank you for watching.